Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Bruce's Box Break. This is box number 20 we're breaking. It's March 24th, Sunday, March 24th. And last team sold was Winnipeg. And the time was 1952. The official eBay time is 17:26 Pacific and 20:26 Eastern. Okay, gonna random off now. All 30 teams here. We're gonna random the free team for next break, and the winner of the free team for next break is Cards for Less. He purchased I think he had 10 teams, so he outbought everyone else. So congratulations to Cards for Less. And we're gonna random this 4 times. So, and then the one that's on top, there's Toronto on top. One that's on top at the end will get the free. That'll be the free team. Chicago, Montreal, and the final one is the Carolina Hurricanes. Okay, so Cards for Less gets Carolina Hurricanes free next break. That's a good team to have. Okay, now get set up over here. Okay. Here's the list of everyone that bought tonight, and as you can see, the Washington Capitals went to Awanishin, I guess. However you say it, you'll see it on the on the paper. So that's the list for tonight, and there's the Washington Capitals for free. And like I say, what did we say? Carolina. So Carolina goes to Cards for Less. My next break, which probably will be Wednesday, I'm guessing. Serial number ending with 3467. Okay, so hopefully we'll have a good box. It's always nice to have a good box. Lots of action in the NHL today. Boucher got the axe for Tampa Bay. And Morrow was traded from Dallas to Pittsburgh. So that's quite interesting. You know, well, we'll say a lot for Pittsburgh. Who knows? Maybe Aginla. Who knows where he's going to go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to say that it's going to be a good box tonight. That's all I can tell you. Let's see. Yeah. That's all. So thanks to everybody who took part. And good luck to y'all. Here we go. Right off the get-go. Yeah. Base. And we've got a private signing for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Dwayne Rolson. And Tampa Bay is Cards for Less. So You just got your money back right there. Kinda. And that's not numbered. Nice hit. Nice way to start off the box. Nick Futu. Spacer. Actually, I think he goes to New York Rangers. And New York Rangers is Stallion 8. So welcome back, Stallion. There's your first hit. Base and base. I don't know. I think maybe Lindy Ruff might be in the running for Tampa Bay. You never know. Base, base, and for the LA Kings, who is Cards for Less, Jonathan Breener, something. Okay, rookie roll call, not numbered, nice card, and a nice Philadelphia Flyers, Michael Storto. You keep coming back for them, you get them. Nice Epics jersey for the Philadelphia Flyers. Nikolai Zirdev. I don't know. Butchered. He's butchered. And that is numbered 32 out of 100. So congratulations, Michael. That's a nice card. It's going to be a good box. I knew it. Base and base. Third box out of the case. I think it was last time the third box was a good one. Base for the Buffalo Sabres and Dow 34. Dow 34. You got Jason Palmaville, red hot. Nice card. And that's not numbered. So that'll be going up your way, not far from here. Joe Sakic for the Avalanche. Base Legends, not numbered. And that goes to Hockeytown Champs. Welcome back, Hockeytown Champs. Spacer. Sid Kid. Base. So it's turning out to be a nice box, yes. It's what I like. Base. And for Kamikaze, you just got Kevin Shattenkirk, Z-Rookie autograph. Numbered 32 of 199. Sweet hit for Kamikaze. Thanks for coming back. Jean Beliveau for the Montreal Canadiens, and that's Sebe 00. Not numbered. Spacer. Base and base. Oh, this is the way to do it. Nice cards. Real nice one in here. Couldn't get it open. Base. Base. And we've got for the Colorado Avalanche, we've got Gallerati, Stastny, and Duchesne. Mosaics. No jersey on it. Nice card nonetheless, and not numbered. And we've got another Epics jersey for the Boston Bruins. Patrice Bergeron. Nice black jersey. And that is also numbered. 92 out of 100. Wow. Base and base. This box just keeps on giving. Base base. I said that and it stopped. Curtis Joseph for the Blues. Kamikaze, not numbered. Spacer, base, and base. Nice box like this. We should have a national treasure, so that would just top it right off, wouldn't it? Base, base. And for the New York Rangers again, Stallion 8, Dale Weiss, rookie, and that is numbered 916 out of 999. Nice card. And for the New York Islanders, and that's Cards for Less. Winter Warriors, Michael Grabner with a nice blue jersey there. Sweet. Not numbered. Base. Base. Pink pads. Base. And for the Dallas Stars, Hockey Town Champs, right on. Got Kerry Lettinen, crease is the word. And that's not numbered. And Winter Warriors. For the Edmonton Oilers, 519 Rob, welcome back, congratulations. You just got Magnus Parajarvi. Nice jersey piece there, blue and not numbered. Wow, this box is just stinking with hits. 2 packs left. 2 left. Base, and we have got a redemption card. Autographed rookies number 206. Number 206 is Nick Leddy. Nick Leddy is shit, where's he at? Devils, I think, but I'd have to look. I'm not real good when it comes to that. But Raj Gilbert for the Rangers, not numbered. And those redemptions, I think if you send them in that they will still honor them if they have the cards. I'm not sure how the date goes. It's expiry 01/06/2013, so I'm hoping it's 01 of June. But I can't say that for sure. But you know, whoever gets it, and I will send it out, of course, to whoever got it, and probably will put it in the note that I send. Base, Gifted Grinders coming up. Derek Dorsett for the Columbus Blue Jackets, and Columbus Blue Jackets is Cards for Less. Derek Dorsett, Gifted Grinders. And not numbered. And last but not least, another hit for the Minnesota Wild. And Cards for Less. Wow. Winter Warriors, white patch, and it's Martin Havlat. Not numbered. Nice hit nonetheless. Base and base. Wow, what a box. Holy mackerel, look at all those hits. Okay, now we'll do the Dare to Tear. Like I say, hopefully that'll have a National Treasures in it. Well, it's Brendan Shanahan on the outside. We'll see who it is on the inside. Mr. Shanahan, I think we're going to have to review this video. we'll give you a 5-game suspension. And for the Montreal Canadiens, Thomas Plekanec, Epics. Too much glare on that. And that's not numbered. So, thank you everyone. Hope to see you again probably Wednesday night. Again, thanks for everybody who took place. And cards for less, you will have Carolina Hurricanes. Okay, good night. Thank you.